Amazon Basics is our house brand or our private label that provides everyday items to our customers at a value. We're able to offer our customers a value because we focus our costs on things that matter to customers, like high-quality products and materials, and not focusing our costs on areas that don't matter to customers, like marketing or distribution expenses. Quality is really important for our Amazon Basics product. We ensure we have high-quality products by having a dedicated team that finds the best factories. After the products are manufactured, we partner with independent testing laboratories to ensure that our products are produced to our high-quality standards. Our dedicated factory team also regularly reviews the factories to make sure that they're abiding by the high-quality standards. Ultimately, we measure our success by making sure our customers love our products, and we measure that by high customer review ratings. We are continuously looking at customer feedback to improve the quality and design of our products. Amazon Basics strives to be a trustworthy brand by delivering high-quality products at low prices.